What you're saying, people, back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back with another video for you guys today. And in this video, I'm going to be giving you guys 5 different ways to boost your income. Now, the reason I'm doing this is because we all need to make more money. You know, we can't always cut expenses, and some of the expenses we cut are just not enough for us. The more you boost your income in multiple different ways, the more money you're going to make, and eventually the more freedom you're going to have. So like I said, I'm going to give you guys those 5 different ways. Hopefully you guys use those ways to your advantage. Hopefully you guys actually take steps to making money with these different ways that I give you. And eventually you guys are going to become free, have more control of your time, get on the path you want to get to, become, close to success. And eventually boost your income so you can live a better life. So the first way I'm going to give you is simple. Get a second job. Getting a second job is an easy way to get another source of income. Boost your income by bringing in more cash into your bank account just through a second job. This is not anything crazy. It can be a part-time job, it can be an online job, it can be different things. But find a second job. So for those of you who may be working in an office from 9 to 5, all right, cool. 7 till 10, work in a pizza parlor. For those of you who are working in a job which is, 7 a.m. in the morning to 3 p.m., cool. Work 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. doing something else. There are many different ways you can get a second job. Second jobs don't only come in the form of, working at Domino's or working at a restaurant, bartending, waiting. They can also be online. But those second jobs are going to bring you an extra source of cash into your bank account each and every month. You might not use it all at once. You might save it. It might be needed for your bills. There could be many different scenarios. But having a second job is a great way to boost your income. We all need more money at the end of the day. We're not in a position we want to be, and that's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. But as long as you do things, you take steps to boost your income, you're on the right path. The second way, freelancing. There are many different websites where you can freelance. Sometimes you don't even need to join websites where you can freelance. But for example, Fiverr, Upwork, those are good websites where you can show your freelancing abilities. If you do designing logos, if you do designing products, if you do creating websites for people, you can do that via Upwork, via Fiverr. You can do that freelancing alone. There are many people who freelance on the internet. Go on Twitter, go on Facebook, go on Instagram, you'll see many different people freelancing. Just type it in the search bar if you don't think it's possible. Type freelance, you're going to see so many different things come up. You're going to see people freelancing for designs you didn't even think things were needed for. It might be t-shirts, it might be whatever it may be. But freelancing is a good way to boost your income. Now you might tell me, I don't have any skills where I can freelance. Then start learning skills, because eventually you're going to need that second source of income. Boost your income by freelancing. Join Upwork, join Fiverr, and if you don't want to join those, that's fine. But you've got to be prepared to promote your services to different clients. You've got to be prepared to put yourself out there. I love it when a few of you guys who have watched my videos send me messages like, can I design this for you? If you need work, contact me here. You send me the links to your Fiverr. That is great. That is the kind of promotion I'm talking about. Because if you don't promote yourself, at the end of the day, who is going to promote you? So keep that work up for those of you who are already freelancing. For those of you who are looking to do something new to boost your income, go and check out freelancing. It is a good way to get another source of income. 3, driving people around. Now when I say driving people around, I don't mean getting your car and just picking up random people and taking them anywhere. But to an extent, I do mean that if you join an Uber or a Lyft. Of course, you can do similar stuff, with DoorDash and Grubhub when it comes to food. But, all these methods of transport, right now, it's a difficult situation because, we're in a pandemic. So when it comes to, driving people around, that's less likely to happen. When it comes to, delivering food, it's definitely a possibility. Now, added to that, after this pandemic is over, once quarantine is over, you can still drive people around in your Ubers, in your Lyfts. Find hot locations. Find spots which are hot. Find spots which have many people, peak hours during the day. Look at airports, in an afternoon. Look at, clubs, outside clubs on a Saturday night at 2 a.m. You're going to make your money with your Ubers and Lyft. The best thing with those is you can set your hours. You can set, how often you want to do it. It's all up to you. That's why those platforms were created. That's why those apps were made, so people can make an extra source of income. For some of you, you might enjoy doing Uber, Lyft so much, talking to people, communicating with people, seeing new places, that you decide to take it up as a full-time job. Either way, however you use it, it is a great way to boost your income. I've signed up for Uber in the past, as you guys know. I've also signed up for something which is called Instacart. That's slightly different. You take people's groceries, you buy their groceries, obviously they pay for it, and you go and you deliver it to their door. There are so many different ways you can make money. If you have a car, use it to your advantage. Use Uber, Lyft, Grubhub, DoorDash, Instacart, InstaShopper. Use all those kind of things. Because, again, you're going to boost your income, and whether you decide to save that income, invest it, use it to pay off your car, it's going to be beneficial to you. There's no point only working one job if you need to boost your income. If you need to boost your income and you have a car, there's no point only using that car for it to depreciate. If it's going to depreciate, you might as well use it to make money while it depreciates. So check out Uber, check out Lyft if you need to sign up. And again, right now, you might not get as much money by just driving people around, but in the future, when everything's back up and running again, the economy is normal, you're going to get a lot of money once you start to be strategic using those methods. 4, renting out your home. Now this goes for you who have multiple rooms in your house. This goes for you who have enough space in your house. Rent out your home using an Airbnb or even a Craigslist. Use that extra room, to get people in during whatever it may be, summer festivals, during times when they need to stay a night, whatever it may be. Obviously, they're going to pay for this to happen. Obviously, it's legal. It's not something random. And again, it's going to be, for those of you who live in nice locations, it's going to be very useful. You can charge more. For those of you who have an extra room, 2 extra rooms, 3 extra rooms, use it to your advantage. Use it to your benefit. Now, I know a lot of you are not comfortable with letting strangers into your house, and there's nothing wrong with that. But these places, like, especially Airbnb, were designed for these kind of things to happen. All of us, have seen Airbnb. All of us know about Airbnb. I've used Airbnb before. I've never rented out a room or something to someone, but I've used it before. Hosts are usually nice. You can see, reviews on there. So those of you who want to be someone who rents out your room, be a good host. Get good ratings. Get people to come in. Get people, obviously, to, use whatever you have at your house. And obviously, you can decide what they use and what they don't use. You can decide, what you let happen, what you don't let happen. It's up to you. You're in control. It is your extra source of income. So decide how you want to use it and how you want to make that happen. Don't be scared, to do these kind of things. You might be scared to begin with. Once you start renting out your room, once you start renting out your house, you're going to realize it's not as bad as you thought. A lot of you guys might be scared because, this day and age, anything can happen. Anyone can be anyone. That is true. But I tell you, most people go to a new place, a hot location, and they want somewhere to stay, and they just want to pay, the money, however much it may be, to stay there and get on with whatever they're going to do. They're not there to, stalk you or do anything weird. Usually, it's a good deal. You get money, they have somewhere to stay, you get paid, and of course, it doesn't cost you anything extra. Again, those of you who live in hot locations, good places, good spots, touristy spots, use that to your advantage. You've got an extra room, you've got space in your home, you've got a spacious house, use it. Get paid while living in your house. Eventually, you might be that person who uses their house, to rent out to other people or bring people into their home and uses that to pay off your mortgage, pay out however much rent costs each and every month. There are plenty of people doing this, so don't be shocked, when I say these kind of things. Your rent might be $1,100 a month. You might get, you might say, let's say it's €50 a night. Each and every night, you might not get someone. But every 3 nights, maybe you get 1 or 2 people. Maybe, you charge them €50, you might charge them €100. It doesn't matter. Eventually, you may get to the point where each and every month, you're bringing in $1,200 from Airbnb. You're bringing in, $1,000 from Craigslist. Even if it doesn't pay off your whole mortgage, your whole rent, it doesn't matter. You're still boosting your income. You're still making money. So try that out. Be open-minded and look at renting out different rooms in your house. The 5th and final way to boost your income, affiliate marketing. Now, you guys know I love this one. It is nice to promote other people's products and services and, show them to your network while you get paid for them. You don't have to own anything physically. You don't have to, try anything out. You start earning some extra cash just by referring people from your network to whatever service or product you're promoting. It may be an ebook, it may be a course, it may be an online guide, it may be a smartwatch. There are so many different affiliate marketing programs out there. You guys need to be open-minded and see, this product I can sell, this service I can sell without having to own it. There are a few of you guys who are, affiliates for Time Gear. That's my smartwatch company. So go check that out in the link in the description. If you want to be an affiliate for us, go and do that. Our affiliates do good work and they get paid nicely. So go and do that. For those of you who don't know what affiliate marketing is overall, you promote a service, a product, you have your link, your referral link, and you get paid a commission. Sometimes it's 30%, sometimes it's 50%, sometimes it might be more. Depending on how well you do, how often you sell, how much money you make, you guys can make thousands a month just purely by affiliate marketing. Everyone has their ways of making money. There's no problem making money while someone else is making money. For those of you who want to be stingy, speak to your, the person who's selling a product or service. Tell them, I want more commission, I want more money, I want more percentage of each sale. Sometimes they're ready to negotiate. That's what I do. I negotiate with my affiliates. You guys don't want to make money without having to hold a product or inventory in your house? Go and do this. You see there's a hot product selling a lot, selling really well? Go and do this. You see the product on Amazon? Go and sign up to be an affiliate. It doesn't just have to be smaller companies. It doesn't just have to be smaller businesses. You can do it for big companies like Amazon. Sell books, sell ebooks, sell products. Try it out. Affiliate marketing is a great way to boost your income. And it's one of my favorite ways. I myself am an affiliate for a few different products and also services. some video courses, some ebooks, different products, and you guys should do the same if you're looking to boost your income. It doesn't cost you any extra time. You might have to promote here and there, on your website, on your page, whatever it may be. But you don't have to physically go out and do anything. You don't have to spend a lot of time looking for stuff. You don't have to spend all the time creating it, updating it, any of that. It is all done by the owner. You just have your referral link, get people to pay or purchase through your referral link, and you're there making your money. So I hope you guys enjoy these 5 different ways to boost your income. Please go and try out those different ways. If you're someone who likes to be on the move, try out an UberLyft. If you're someone who likes to not do any of those, sit at your home and just use affiliate marketing. If you're someone who likes different stuff, you're not afraid to rent out your house, you've got rooms, use that. But use these different ways to boost your income and make some more money. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new around here, hit that red button, comment on this video if you're new as well. Comment on this video also if you've already been around here or you've tried out any of those different ways. But that's today's video, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. I've got money making, you've got income to be boosting. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.